Introducing the 2009 BMW X635i Sport Utility with only 44,000 miles, this luxury vehicle is practically brand new. With a clean Carfax, one owner, and dealer service history, this vehicle is in great condition. Plus, it comes with up-to-date Georgia emissions. Drive with confidence knowing this BMW is a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage. Want even more peace of mind? Ask about our 5-year maintenance plan, available at a discounted price at the time of sale. And for added security, you can upgrade your warranty at a discounted rate, ensuring you're covered for years to come. Making a car purchase is a big decision, and we're here to make it easy. Enjoy a pre-purchase inspection and know exactly what you're getting. Remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and service plan, so act fast to keep those benefits intact. Come in today and drive away in this incredible 2009 BMW X635i. Your next adventure starts now.